This is not about war anymore. It's about control. Control over the world's most important oil routes, and now a shocking new idea is coming from the top. US President Mr. Donald Trump. He has made a bold suggestion. What if the United States starts charging toll on ships passing through the Strait of Hormuz? Yes, the same narrow waterway through which nearly one-fifth of the world's oil and LNG flows in very normal times. Think about that for a moment. Every oil tanker, every cargo ship, every energy shipment paying a fee to pass. Not to Iran, but to the United States. This is not just a policy, it's a potential game changer for the global trade. Well, here Trump's message is clear. If Iran can threaten or control Hormuz, then why shouldn't the US step in and take charge instead? In his own words, he would rather do that than letting Iran dominate the route. But wait. Here's the reality check. For the US to charge toll, it would need more than just one announcement. It would require control, military control, because the Strait of Hormuz lies between Iran and Oman. Waters that are sensitive, contested, and already heavily militarized. That means warships, surveillance, continuous presence, a full-scale monitoring system just to track and manage every vessel passing through. In simple terms, it would mean turning Hormuz into a controlled corridor, and that too under American oversight. Now, at the timing here, this proposal comes as Donald Trump issues a final ultimatum to Iran. Reopen the strait or face massive consequences. He has warned of strikes on the bridges, power plants, critical infrastructure. He even claimed that Iran could be taken out in one night. And at the very same time, Trump is declaring victory. Yes, he says Iran is already militarily defeated, even as reports continue to show drones and missile activity across the region. So here we have two very different realities. One of confidence, the other one of ongoing conflict. But Iran is not backing down either. Leaders in Tehran are signaling a very different future. Mohammad Bagher, he has suggested that Hormuz will not return to its old status after the war. And Mr. Abbas Araghchi, he has openly talked about creating a new system to manage the strait, one that protects Iran's interest and involves regional countries as well. In fact, some reports even suggest that Iran may already be experimenting with controlled possible charging or maybe influencing passage in selective ways. So if that is true, then the whole battle for Hormuz, it has already begun, quietly but decisively. Now, let's take a step back and look at a bigger picture. This is not just about ships that are passing through the waters. It's about who controls the global energy flow. Whoever controls Hormuz holds the leverage over oil prices, over shipping routes, over economic stability, and that too worldwide. And that is why this moment is so critical. If the US moves forward with this idea, it could trigger a massive escalation, not just with Iran, but across the region. Countries that depend on this route, Asia, Europe, in fact global markets, everything will be affected.